Hi guys, welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of cosmetic brands. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you find this content useful. In this video today we're talking about Salon Grafix. This is the professional invisible dry spray shampoo, and it is sort of like small travel size bottle. This is the Salon Grafix Professional Invisible Dry Spray Shampoo. It only is 1 ounce here, but this is more of a travel size pack, which you could easily take with you pretty much whenever you go. What's the most important thing is the company promises that it would not give you the white powder residue, which is always a big no with a spray shampoo. I mean, obviously, if you use it for the 5th day in a row, there is going to be some residue anyways. That's the time to have the hair washed. Anyways, it's supposed to clean and refresh your hair without water, and you just need to spray it on. It's absorbing formula, and the most important thing with any dry shampoo, not even this particular brand, is to brush it out. You need to brush it out like the last time, because that's really what's going to give you that clean hair look instead of just some powder sprayed on your hair. So the invisible formula is really perfect when you're in a go and you pretty much can't really wash your hair. It is easily brushed on, and it leaves your hair revitalized, clean, and shiny. And don't forget, there is no water needed. Every time before you go in to use it, you need to shake the product really well. It's like very important. And then you just cover and protect the clothing before spraying, of course. You need to apply it to the roots by section or layer. Don't hold it too close, just 6 to 8 inches away from your hair. And just try to spray it in quick short bursts. Wait 1 minute to dry and then brush it thoroughly, and that's supposed to give you really a wonderful clean hair look. The only thing to remember with this product is that it's flammable, and if you take a look at the ingredients, it contains fragrance. So if that's a no-no for you, so make sure you are aware of that. It's also made in USA, which in my opinion is a very good sign. So guys, this is it about this particular product. I'm wishing you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video.